Okay, you're given this trigonometric expression right here and asked to get an exact value for that expression. We'll be using this identity, the sign for the difference of two angles, because of this minus sign right there. So the sine of x minus y is the sine of x cosine y minus cosine x sine y. Or using capital letters A and B, these are angles. The angle that has a cosine of 3/4, B is the angle that has a tangent of 1/3. So one way to find other trig ratios for those angles is to draw a little sketch like this. So this is angle A right here. It has a cosine of 3/4. And then we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the opposite leg. And for B, this is the angle that has a tangent of 1/3. So the hypotenuse is the square root of 10. And once you've got these little diagrams drawn, you can just fill in these values. The sine of A is square root of 7/4 times the cosine of B is 3 over the square root of 10 minus the cosine of A is 3/4. We already knew that. That was given. Times the sine of B is 1 over the square root of 10. Now, I suppose you could leave it this way. You could get notice that these two denominators are equal. So you could just subtract the fractions. 3 radical 7 minus 3 over 4 radical 10. That's an okay answer. But if you're asked to rationalize, multiply top and bottom by the square root of 10, there's another possible answer. Okay, and here on board 2 is kind of proof that those answers are correct. There's the original problem, the sine of the angle that has a cosine of 3/4 minus the angle that has a tangent of 1/3 gives us this decimal approximation. And here are the two exact values that give the same approximate value. So this is probably the answer that would be given on a multiple choice test. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.